Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a simple and fun way to make money online, even if you're not a designer, influencer, or tech expert, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through 8 genius ways people are making real money using Canva. I'm talking $500 to even $1,000 a day, and yes, these are everyday people just like you and me. So stick around, because I'm saving the best and most overlooked idea for last. Let's dive right in. Number one, and probably one of the most passive income friendly options, is selling printables. There's a woman named Sasha who makes over $8,000 a month selling printables on Etsy using only Canva. Now, what exactly are printables? Think planners, checklists, budget trackers, bridal shower games, classroom worksheets. These are all downloadable PDFs that people can print at home. And here's the best part: once you create one, you can sell it over and over again. You only do the work once, but you keep getting paid. That's the beauty of semi-passive income. Want to learn how to create printables step by step using Canva? I've linked a full tutorial in the description below. Coming in at number 2, designing logos using Canva's built-in AI tool called Dreamlab. You no longer need to be a graphic designer. Just describe what you want, and Canva does the heavy lifting. Let's say you want a logo for a salon called Pamper Me. Just type, create a simple but creative hair salon logo, and boom, Canva gives you several professional looking options in seconds. Here's how you turn that into money. Many small business owners, from barbers to churches to HVAC techs, either have bad logos or none at all. Reach out with a message like, hey, I saw your business and couldn't help myself. I mocked up a logo concept just for you. Offer to sell the full branding kit for just $47, including the transparent logo, fonts, color palette, and more. Once they trust you, you can upsell. Would you like help making your Instagram page look consistent too? Boom, you're now offering full branding and social media kit. Number 3, YouTube thumbnails. YouTubers need eye-catching thumbnails. If you're creative and can study trends, you can offer this as a service. Here's a quick tip using Canva Pro's Magic Grab tool. Find a YouTube video with a thumbnail you like. Use a snipping tool to grab the image, paste it in Canva, and use Magic Grab to isolate the person from the background. Then, design a better thumbnail and send it to the creator with a message. Try A/B testing this thumbnail and see how it performs. Do it for free at first to get your foot in the door. If they like it, offer packages for thumbnails, banners, and even short video edits. 4th idea, social media graphics for businesses. Most small businesses are struggling with visuals. Canva has thousands of beautiful templates. Search Instagram sales and you'll see what I mean. Just tweak the templates to fit the business and offer them a consistent professional look online. Your pitch can be, let me help you look active and relevant online without the big agency price tag. And remember, you're not promising viral posts or followers. You're helping them look polished, which builds trust with their customers. Next up, selling resume templates. Job seekers are constantly on the hunt for clean, modern resume designs. Canva makes this super simple. You can create and sell them on Etsy, Creative Market, or Fiverr. Or better yet, offer a done-for-you service where you customize resumes for clients. Charge $15 to $100 depending on the customization. Fix designing ebooks and lead magnets. Coaches, consultants, and online business owners often need PDFs, lead magnets, or ebooks to give away to their audience. Use Canva's templates to create polished PDFs fast. Offer your services on Upwork or in business Facebook groups. One simple ebook design job can pay between $50 to $300, and once you have a few examples, it gets even easier. Number 7, selling Canva templates. You can create templates for Instagram carousels, business cards, Pinterest pins, lead magnets, and more. Then sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Bonus tip: include Canva share links so buyers can edit them easily. And finally, my personal favorite, offer full branding kit. This is where the big money is. Most small businesses want consistent visual identity but don't know where to start. Use Canva to design a logo, pick a color palette, and design a few matching social templates. Bundle them into a mini brand kit and offer it for $97 to $300, even higher once you've built credibility. So, there you have it, 8 genius ways to make money using Canva, even if you're a total beginner. Pick one of these ideas, Take action this week and start building that income stream. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more money making ideas, and let me know in the comments which method you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.